Hi everyone. So today I am going to be making chapatis. Chapati is a Kenyan delicacy. It is very popular among the Kenyans and I think East Africa as a whole. And I am aware that in other countries this dish has a different name or different names. But I am Kenyan and this is what we call it. My recipe is very simple. It just has flour, water, some salt. I do not like it with sugar. Some people do put sugar. You can also use both just to balance depending on what you like the most. And then I use warm water and something to change the color. Like this time I used carrot juice. I can also use grated carrots. I can also use squash or pumpkin, whatever is easier for me. But carrots are the most easy. So chapatis can be served with beef stews or vegetable stews. You can also have it as a snack with tea. And so it has, I feel like should we call it a versatile dish or convenient, whatever you like to have. There's really no like an easier way to make chapatis. That's what I feel, because the basic recipe is the same. It just depends with what you want inside the chapati, or let's say if you have a mixer, which will probably shorten the time of mixing the dough, but I would recommend just doing it by hand, because there's just something about the hand touch. Like, that's what I feel. Maybe it's just all in my head. Or you can maybe use a roti maker to make it flat or whatever, but for me, handmade chapatis taste the best, so you can try that. And I should stop rambling and just let you follow along. These chapatis turned out great, are really flaky, soft and appetizing, and we loved them. So yeah, try this recipe and tell me how yours turned out. Thank you so much for watching.